In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $150,270 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting if you want to earn some commission. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will share with you guys step by step how you can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and how you can promote your affiliate links for free using free traffic and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't want to miss this information and this methods that I will share for free. Okay, let's get started. So it took me almost 2 years to earn this commission. I started this business from December 2021 until today. I'm still promoting affiliate links and I'm still getting commission. And as you can see in my balance, right, in this month I have $5,125 in my balance available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, so for people who want to join Fiverr affiliate, you just need to go to Google. Okay, let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down and go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. Okay, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Scroll down, do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country, you can find your country here, and choose your language. And if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It's super easy, anyone can sign up. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to Google and search for Pinterest. We will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links for free. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to choose business account, not personal account. We need Pinterest business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. Why I choose Pinterest? Let me show you. Did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? So 1 billion monthly visitor per month, that's a big number. You can get so much traffic from Pinterest. Okay, as you can see, so millions of people every single day are scrolling on Pinterest searching for different services, products, and that's why you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, so anyways, after you finish, go back to your Fiverr home page. Okay, let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr homepage, and so now I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for Etsy promotion. Okay, search for Etsy promotion. So why I choose this service? Because people who has Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy products, and those people, they will be interested to use this service to increase sales and make more money. Okay, that's why they will be interested to buy this service. Okay, that's why I choose this service. A lot of a lot of people who has, like I said, Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to get traffic to their Etsy stores. Okay, so anyways, so search for Etsy promotion, scroll down. Okay, I want you to pay attention again in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers. they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so that's what I do. So let's choose one of those sellers. Let me see if we can find good one here. So we have really a lot of good sellers. We have this one, level 2 seller. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. This service is just for $10. A lot of people can try this service. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. What you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link like this. So just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this affiliate link, this seller profile link here. Okay, click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest, go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, okay? And you will be directly in this page. What you need to do next is you need to upload a picture about this service, okay? Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, and you should see over here a picture, okay? Click on his picture and upload this picture to your laptop, okay? Save image, double click and click on save image. I will name it Etsy ads like this, and they will go to Pinterest and they will click here and upload this picture to Pinterest, okay? Like this, open, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. Scroll down, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this, okay? Go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, you should see over here about this gig, okay? Click over here on more and this is his description, okay? So copy this description and I will copy this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, okay? It's super easy. Go to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here, okay? Like this. Click over here on choose a board, okay? And click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So I will choose this one for Etsy. Scroll down, put here tags, okay? Keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, okay? Keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down. Let me show you. So go back to the seller profile page and keep scrolling down like this and you should see related tags, okay? So let me see. So you have here related tags, okay? Copy those keywords, okay? Like this, and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Those keywords are very important, okay? So make sure to use all those keywords, okay? And I will copy this one and here you go. After you finish, let me show you. We'll put this one. After you finish, click on publish, okay? And your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. This is your picture. This is your affiliate link. And this is your affiliate link over here. This is your title, description, and that's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest. And that's how you can start affiliate marketing business with Fiverr with $0 without investing any money, just by using Pinterest. And like I said, guys, Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor. If you do it correctly and if you grow your Pinterest account, you can make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, okay? It's really easy, but if you work hard and if you stay consistent and you promote a lot of affiliate links every single day, you will make money. Okay, so, and that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video. And don't forget guys, don't promote just your affiliate links just on Pinterest. So check my other videos. I show you how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and so much more. Okay, and of course free traffic, always free traffic. Okay, and if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Okay, if you have new accounts and you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will be blocked and banned. Okay, so you need to start step by step, promote just few affiliate links per day between 1 and 2. After a few weeks, then you can increase the number and start promoting 5 to 7 affiliate links per day. It will take a few times, but if you stay consistent, you will make money and you will start earning commission with affiliate marketing. That's it, and see you in my next video.